Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into OneNote and confirming sync is on. This preserves work across devices. Once done, create a new notebook and choose OneDrive for automatic backups. Next, add sections as broad categories and create 1 or 2 initial pages so you have a structure to fill. Make sure to name sections clearly for fast navigation. You're setting a predictable hierarchy now so every note you add later falls into place and stays searchable and synced. Now capture content. Type for speed, ink for diagrams, or record audio for meetings. Once you add content, format headings and apply tags to mark tasks, questions, or important items. Use colors and simple templates to standardize notes across pages. That makes scanning faster. When material lands in the wrong place, drag pages between sections or create subpages. Also use internal links and the search field to connect ideas. This helps you retrieve related notes instantly. Finish by sharing notebooks when collaboration is needed. Choose view or edit permissions and notify collaborators. Regularly review and clean up. Merge duplicate pages, archive old sections, and use page version history to restore earlier content. If something goes wrong, check sync status and force a sync. If conflicts appear, OneNote shows copies, compare and merge. When sync persists in failing, export critical pages as PDF or OneNote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.